So tell us what you're going to do.
I'm going to jump over these.
Okay, you show us how to jump over these. Get on your...
And I'm just going to put some things here to jump on.
Well, you have plenty of things to jump over. Let's see it. Let's see you do it.
Right here, okay, and one here by this base.
Okay.
Right.
Good. Good jumping. Good jumping. Oh, you kind of hit that one. Good jumping. Good jumping. Oop, you kind of landed on that one. Do it again. Show us again. Jump over the bridge again.
I'm going to jump over this.
Okay.
Here's a tree. I'm going to jump over it.
Oh, Susanna, leave the bridge there.
No, leave the bridge here. No, leave the bridge here. No, it's on the bridge here. Go over it. There we go.
What's he doing? I've never seen her pick him up before. Seen him pick her up before. He picked her up. Okay, jump over the bridge.
I wasn't scaring her because I said her she is too big.
Oh, good jumping.
The funny thing is when you finish, she's a happy girl.
Yeah. Oh, good jumping.